So ipilimumab and BRAF inhibitors, we have them on the market now for some time, and we have learned how to deal with the side effects. Ipilimumab, as you know, is mostly associated with immune-related adverse events, which is not very surprising considering the mechanism of action. The most frequent side effects actually concern the skin, but they are rarely serious, and usually they don't prevent us from continuing the treatment. And besides some very rare serious adverse events on the skin that have been reported, I mean, personally, I have observed that only three times, and after having treated a lot of patients with ipilimumab. So usually it's going down quite easily, either spontaneously or with topical steroid. The only skin symptom that does not disappear usually is vitiligo, which we are usually quite happy to see, and if it is associated with a response, of course, but it is usually not a big problem for the patients. Much more problematic are the side effects involving gastrointestinal tract, and as you know, when we first treated the patient in the initial phase 1 to 3 study, there has been some even fatal accident with a perforation of the colon with very serious colitis. We now know how to deal with that, and now that we have a management that is we have a guideline that we follow, and if they are really well followed, this is much easier.